Hey folks, and thank you for choosing Memories Lodge. I just wanted to do a quick video about the mini splits so you know how to use them when you come here. Now if you're coming in the winter time, this is already going to be set up for heat for you. So all you got to do is take the remote, walk towards the mini split, hit the power button. You're going to hear a green beep. The green light will come on in the mini split and you'll be good. I have them all set throughout the house for 72 degrees. This has nothing to do with temperature except it tells you what the temperature is in the house overall. So do not, you don't have to mess with this at all. And because we have huge cathedral ceilings, if you want to, you can turn on this fan and it will help circulate the air faster. To do that, you use this fan switch, and we usually turn it to the second or third setting. The second setting is medium. It does a counterflow, and what that does is that helps take the cold air and move it up and keep the hot air down. So it really helps out with this general area. Once again, thank you for choosing Memories Lodge. We really appreciate your stay.